None the wiser podcast.
Oh, like aliens and shit. Dinosaurs. There's a. Have you seen this stork? It's called a Shoebill Stork.
Yeah.
That giant fucking
Bruh.
Yeah, it looks prehistoric.
Bruh.
It's probably the most prehistoric
Bruh.
bird I've seen.
That's like a dinosaur.
Bruh.
That thing.
Shoebill Stork.
Mm.
Let me tell you something. That's a dinosaur.
Yeah, bruv. The birds.
It's a dinosaur.
The birds.
Bro, if you see that in real life, you're gonna be scared.
Depends how big it is, man.
Yeah,
It's a bit. They attack crocodiles. They attack crocodiles.
They are big, man.
Yo.
I mean, when you look at it, it is prehistoric, cuz.
That is huge.
Look at it. Look at the head.
Look how the head moves.
Now the maddest thing is, yeah.
Of the body.
Now the maddest thing is, yeah. They believe dinosaurs evolved slowly into birds, yeah, because they share the same vertebrae. Yeah, and if you look at this bird, you can see the head would have been a fucking lizard at some point.
Could have been.
You can see it, bruv.
Listen, let
Look
me
at
tell
the
you something.
eyes, bruv.
Bruv,
I am not on it.
This is what the Velociraptor evolved into.
Let me tell you
Can it
something.
fly?
Look.
Can it fly?
Yeah, it's a
No.
stork. It's a stork.
No, what do you mean it can...
Bruh. Hold on. Look, yeah. Watch this bit.
What's the wingspan?
Watch it. Stands up.
No.
It stands up. It's huge. No.
I can't lie. There's many.
No.
There's a few animals that get man shook, but if I butt that at night time, yeah, yo,
No.
You're gonna turn around.
No.
Straight up, you're gonna turn around.
bruv,
Leg.
I'm either gonna turn around or I'm gonna wait till it goes up like this and go, and I'm gonna bang it in its throat. I'm telling you now,
Yo,
bro.
you wake up and there's a Shoebill Stork in your room.
How'd you deal with that?
What do you
I know.
Left hook.
I know we've dealt with.
Toaster.
Toaster.
I know we've previously talked about taking down a kangaroo.
Yeah, but that's different.
long time ago in a
That's different.
prehistoric podcast.
previous.
But that guy there, look how skinny his legs is. Look how
Take the
skinny
legs
his
out.
legs are, bruv. Leg kicks.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
done. He's finished.
I said leg kick.
One time,
Yo,
bro.
but that beak, man, the reach
beak-
on that thing.
You slip him to the side. How you fucking this?
Yeah, bro.
Head movement,
Yeah,
bro. Let me check
exactly
it out.
He might get you on the shoulder.
Bruv, all you know, his leg kicks might be mad, fam. He might have leg kicks.
He's got
fam.
talons.
Fam, he might teep you with the claw, fam, with its talon, and it grabs around your face like
Now,
that.
you know what?
Wraps your head.
Yo, listen. It fights crocodiles. It fights crocodiles,
Yeah,
bro.
fuck
Yo, that is
Don't
bad.
forget, he can fly away though, man. He can fly away if it gets pink, bro.
Let
Do
me
know what
tell
I
you
mean?
something. I got a machete by
He's
my
not
bed.
eating a crocodile.
The
I got a
machete.
machete by my bed. I'm locking that on your neck, bro.
Man's got the bill hook, cuz.
I'm eating you for dinner, fam. I'll hang your head on
I wonder
my
what it tastes.
wall.
I wonder what it tastes like. I wonder what it tastes like.
Listen, life or death. The Shoebill's trying to kill you, bro.
You gonna have
What
to
you gonna do?
No, you have to eat him afterwards. After you kill him,
Yeah, you
gotta
eat
eat him now.
You eat- that's
You
a
gotta
big
eat him
wing,
now.
bro.
Bruv, you gotta defeather it and you gotta cook that shit.
You gotta eat him, bro. Take his
Nah,
head.
bro.
You're gonna
Yeah,
boil
for
that.
real, that's a big wing, fam.
Yeah, bro. Put that in the oven, fam. Just
Yeah,
one on the
bro.
tray, like
One giant hot wing.
that. Yo, that's crazy. Get M the art of
Come in and go chili sauce.
Give me spare ball. Tell them how to teach this.
You know what I mean?
I tell her to do it to the eat.
He went like this. M the art went like this.
Bro. Man, yeah, it
It's
was-
not coming out. It's the.
Bruv, you know when man gets tasered?
None the wiser podcast.
Yo.